Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we would be studying the first chapter of economics in CFA level 2, that is currency exchange rate and equilibrium value. So first let us understand what is an exchange rate with the help of an example. So I'll take the example of a currency pair USD to Euro given as 1.1547. So what does this mean? It means that here, as per CFA curriculum, so I'll highlight it, it is as per CFA curriculum. This notation is T to B, that is price currency. So USD is the price currency and base currency Euro is the base currency. So this would mean that 1 euro is equal to 1.1547. That is 1 unit of base currency is equal to 1.1547 units of USD, that is the price currency. Units of USD, which is the price currency. Now, why did I tell CFA curriculum here? It is because CFA curriculum uses this notation in the form of P by B. So, the concept of price currency and base currency, that is 1 unit of base currency is equal to the exchange rate quoted in terms of price currency, that concept remains the same. But in real world, that is in FX market, it is quoted as base currency first and then price currency with the exchange rate quotation. It would mean that in FX market usually it is quoted as euro to USD is equal to 1.1547. That is base currency is quoted first and price currency second, but the concept remains the same. 1 unit of base currency, that is 1 euro is equal to 1.1547 units of USD. But for CFA level 2, CFA level 2, CFA level 2, it is in the form of P by B, that is first is the price currency and then it is the base currency, and 1 unit of base currency is given is the mentioned in terms of price currency. So now I'll write what an exchange rate is in terms of in written format, that is exchange rate is equal to the price of 1 unit of base currency in terms of price currency, that is 1 unit of euro in terms of USD. That is what an exchange rate is. So here 1 euro would be equal to 1.1547 USD. Now let us understand the concept of spot exchange rate. Spot exchange rate. It is the current market price for the given currency pair. That is the spot market price. That is spot exchange rate. Now, in the case of FX market, the spot exchange rate usually has a T+2 settlement cycle. It means that after trading, the trade would settle on the second date after we close the trading. So, it is T+2 settlement cycle. That is, the trade would settle on the second business date after the trade date. Now, so usually it is T+2 settlement cycle. There is an exception. Which is the exception? As per curriculum, the exception quoted is CAD CAD USD pair, CAD USD pair, currency pair, which has a T+1 settlement cycle. So CAD USD has a T+1 settlement cycle. So now that's also done. Now we are going to take an example. I'll take an example. A retail customer A goes to a dealer asks for USD euro quote for trading. So the dealer quotes two prices. So usually how does the dealer quote? The dealer quotes via two prices, that is USD euro quotation the dealer would give would be 1.1548, this is an example, to 1.1552. So here, when dealer quotes two prices, the first price is the bid price and the second price is called the offer price or ask price. So what does bid price and offer price mean? Now let us understand that. So bid price, it is the price at which dealer, here also we are taking P by B notation, right? So it is the price at which dealer, bid price is the price at which dealer buys 1 unit of base currency. So here dealer would buy 1 euro for 1.1548 USD. So if a retail customer A goes to a dealer and asks for USD euro quote, dealer will quote two prices, that is the bid price and the ask price or offer price. Now what is the bid price? Bid price is the price at which the dealer will buy 1 unit of base currency. and then multiply it with the amount we want. Now, what is offer price? Now let us understand what is offer price. So offer price is the price at which dealer sells one unit of base currency. That would mean that the dealer would be selling, the dealer would sell, would sell €1 for 1.1552 USD. 1.1552 USD. So if you look over here, there is a difference of 0.0004 USD. And this difference is the spread. The difference between the bid price and the ask price or offer price is called the spread, and this spread is dealer's profit. So now, when dealer quotes two prices, that is the bid price and offer price, the difference between the bid price and the offer price is known as the spread, and that is dealer's profit. Now, there is 2 points we should always remember. Always remember. What is that? The first one is, so the first point is offer price, offer price, offer price should always be should always be greater than the bid price. Offer price should always be greater than bid price. So in our, if not, it will create arbitrage opportunity. If not, it will create arbitrage profit opportunity. Now, what does that mean? Uh, if not, now in this case, we'll take an example. Same USD to euro. Now here we are making 1.1552 as the bid price and 1.1548 as the offer price. So this is in contradiction. This is not following this offer price greater than bid price concept. So what will happen? Just pause for a moment and think. In this case, what will happen is that the client will buy euro from dealer at the offer price, that is USD 1.1548, and then client will go to the dealer itself, will sell euro to the dealer at USD 1.1552 and make a profit, and the spread becomes client's arbitrage profit or dealer's loss. So that's why the offer price should always be greater than bid price for the dealer to make a profit. Now the second point, if a client goes and asks the dealer for a two-sided price, so asking the dealer for two-sided price does not create the obligation to trade. But now if the client chooses to trade, so if the client chooses to trade now if the client chooses to trade at bid price, then it is usually called client has hit the bid. So usually it is called, if the client chooses to trade at bid price, then it is usually called client has hit the bid. And now if the client chooses to trade at offer price, then it is called client has paid the offer. So this is usually the terms we use. If client chooses to trade and at bid price, we usually say client has hit the bid. And if client chooses to trade at offer price, we usually say client has paid the offer. So that's all for today's video. In the next video, we would be studying the difference between dealer's quote and interbank market, as well as what factors affect the bid offer spread. Thank you.